How to edit username on Snapchat. Hello there, today we'll teach you how to edit or change your Snapchat username. First off, you need to log in or sign in to your Snapchat account and go to your profile that is located on the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you can go to the opposite corner, which you can see settings, and from settings go to your username and then click on change username. For this, it will inform you that when you are on the Snapchat account, you are only able to do this once a year. So you can go ahead and click on continue, and then you can go ahead and change your username. You need to make sure that your username is unique in order for you to complete the change. Okay. Once the username is valid, you can go ahead and click on continue, and then you will need to re-enter your password to make sure that this will successfully change your username on the account. Okay, you just need to hit on confirm and then continue. And then that's it. You have now changed your username successfully. You just need to click on continue, and now your username on Snapchat has now been edited. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.